Hello, today I've taken you off the beaten track. I'm just catching a glimpse of the Istán lake. It's absolutely beautiful. So from this corner plot you have stunning views over the coast, Africa, Gibraltar. You see San Pedro down there at the end, you see La Quinta, and above all you see this beautiful lake. You could easily mistake it for being in Austria or Switzerland or somewhere like that. But we are only about 9 minutes from Manolo Santana Tennis Club, which is down by the main road, Nueva Andalusia. So it's actually not too bad. It's a lot of curves, yes, but it's a beautiful scenery. This particular house has a great position because we happen to be on a corner plot with these massive views that you will see in a little bit. The plot is almost 1100 square meters. The property is in a rustic style with big lovely fireplace, 240 square meters, 4 bedrooms. It's dead quiet. Now I'm looking at the top of La Concha right there by the swimming pool. It's for someone who loves nature, and when you get tired of the hustle and bustle down at the street, you have this retreat to go back to. So look around and let me know what you think.